So I just uploaded my first ever game on Play Store, and in this video I will tell you guys exactly how I did it. So guys, if you want to try it, the link is in the description. So first thing I needed was, yes guys, you guessed it right, the original idea. But that's a game that Dani made and you even uploaded the video about it. Fuck it, you hide, you mortal creature. But you just copied it and now you are saying that it's your idea. But bro, the Mark Zuckerberg once said,
a guy who builds a nice chair doesn't owe money to everyone who ever has built a chair.
so after getting my original idea, I started with the basic geometrical shape which brought the humanity where it is today. Yeah, it's a circle, guys. Then I just added some physics to my player and some pulling mechanism which lets you to drag the player and aim where to shoot it. So I quickly added some enemies which are also, you guessed it right, again the circles. So at this point I added the basic of my game. Another step was to add the scoring system to the game, but I don't know how to add it. So I did what every smart person would do. Added a upward force whenever you hit this enemy and not this, cause it has spikes, and when you hit the spike you explode. You should know that, you mortal creatures. Also added health bar to the player, because in every game a player has a health. That's the basic idea of every game. And to make the gameplay more fun, added the slow-mo in the game, because someone sometimes said that slow-mo hides your shitty gameplay, so use it in your every game. Also added the feature that when you hit the enemy or the ground, then only you can shoot again, and while aiming the health decreases constantly. At this point the game was ready, but
Wait a minute!
it looks gross. So I quickly added post-processing system in my game, which made my player a Super Saiyan Blue, I guess. If you see it like a Super Saiyan Blue, it looks like a Super Saiyan Blue. Quickly downloaded the SFX sound generator, which gives you free game sounds to use. The link to the app is given in the description. And here is the final result. If you like the video, smash like, or if you don't, smash dislike. So if you want to be the immortal god like me, go and download my game and give it 5-star rating, or you will be immortal till the end.